Imagine tackling plumbing tasks with confidence and efficiency. Having the right tools can transform your plumbing experience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, these 7 essential plumbing tools will empower you to handle any job with ease. Let's dive into the tools that every plumber should have in their toolbox. First up are the Bahco water pump pliers. Known for their robust build and adjustable jaws, these pliers provide a strong grip on pipes and fittings. Their ergonomic design ensures comfort, even during long hours of work. Built with hardened steel, they offer long-lasting durability. Next, we have the VISIOPROBE tilt inspection camera. This cutting-edge tool lets plumbers inspect hard-to-reach areas like drain lines. With its flexible probe and high-definition camera, diagnosing blockages or leaks has never been easier. The built-in lighting and recording capability add to its professional value. For those working with PEX systems, the superior tool PEX Pocket Crimper is a game-changer. This compact tool ensures secure and reliable crimps on PEX connections. Its portable design is perfect for tight spaces, while the ergonomic handle minimizes hand fatigue. No toolkit is complete without a reliable plunger. The Cobra Plunge-it high-efficiency toilet plunger is designed for tough clogs. Its powerful suction and high-pressure water stream create a quick solution without mess, especially effective for low-flow toilets. Introducing the Hilti NPR32A pipe press tool, designed for pressing fittings onto pipes with precision. This cordless tool is versatile for various pipe materials and boasts automatic jaw locking, ensuring consistent pressure application. For quick emergency repairs, the FiberFix Repair Wrap is an innovative solution. Made from industrial-grade fibers, it hardens rapidly when activated with water. This wrap can withstand high pressure and extreme temperatures, making it a reliable fix for leaky pipes. Finally, the SharkBite ProLock Twist-to-Lock Push system revolutionizes pipe installations. This system allows for quick, secure connections by simply pushing the fitting onto the pipe. It's versatile for different pipe materials, offering a fast and reliable solution. In summary, these 7 tools enhance the efficiency and reliability of plumbing projects. From the Bahco water pump pliers to the SharkBite ProLock Push system, investing in quality tools ensures success in your plumbing tasks. So, whether you're repairing a leak or installing new fixtures, equip yourself with these essential tools. Investing in the right plumbing tools will save you time, protect against future issues, and elevate your work quality. Don't hesitate and take your plumbing skills to the next level today. If you have a plumbing problem that you can't fix or are uncertain about, visit bestplumbers.com and contact a plumbing professional near you.